What's up everyone, and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to discuss my top 5 fertilizers that I have personally tried and have tested and have had good results with. Now, a quick disclaimer: although fertilizers all tend to work the same, visual results may vary, and that all depends on your soil, what your soil needs, and what it has adequate amounts of. However, I do believe that if you were to try out these fertilizers that I'm about to mention, you could have great success with. All right, so coming in at number 5. Number 5, we have Peters 20-20-20. That is a 20N, 20P, 20K all around, which is equal to a 1-1-1. The reason that I enjoy using this fertilizer is it's a water-soluble fertilizer. Could mix with almost anything. You could use it on trees. You could use it on plants. You could use it on flowers. You could use it in your lawn. It's very versatile. It's very effective. It's very cheap, and it's easy to get a hold of. I'll put links in the description to all these fertilizers that I'm going to mention, and you can go ahead and give them a try if you wish to do so. Great fertilizer. I use it actually with my pre-emergence and my insecticide applications. You could use any fertilizer you wish with these type of applications, but I personally like to use the 20-20-20 from Peters. Coming in at number 4. At number 4, we have Simple Lawn Solutions 600 Liquid Lawn Energizer. Now, this comes in both a 1 gallon and a hose end sprayer that you could easily use to spray your lawn. It connects to a hose, and I think it covers 3,200 square feet. They also have a gallon version that you mix into your backpack sprayer. Mix it with water, and you could get a lot more coverage for a better bang for your buck with Simple Lawn Solutions 600. So at 600, it says 6% N, 0% everything else, but it also has manganese, magnesium, and iron to give your lawn a good color boost. Now, are you looking for a dark green color? This will probably not be the item or the fertilizer that I would recommend for a dark green color. However, this will give your lawn a very good, vibrant pop of color. I use this in my spring and my last application for winter down here in South Florida every single year. So that comes in at number 4. At number 3, the simplest form of nitrogen that you can get your hands on, and that is urea. Urea is a 4600 nitrogen-based fertilizer. Urea is what is commonly used in all fertilizers to make that end value pretty much. If it's granular, it's usually poly-coated. If it's liquid, it's pretty much mixed and dissolved into the liquid fertilizer. My favorite thing about urea is the customization that you have with this nitrogen source. You could put 0.10 amount of nitrogen into whatever you're spraying. You could put half a pound of nitrogen. You could put 1 pound of nitrogen. You could do whatever you want when it comes to urea, as long as you know the dilution rate that you're applying this to. Usually 1 pound of urea to 1 gallon of water is a 0.46, 0.49 amount of nitrogen, pretty much half a pound of nitrogen. So again, it's a 4600, very versatile. It mixes well with pretty much, actually I think it mixes well with everything that you're going to apply this to. It's usually readily available to the plant, gets soaked up, water the rest in. It's very versatile. It's an easy source of nitrogen. It's super cheap, and like I said, you don't have to go by the rates of, you know, whatever the per amount rate is per ounce when you're spraying urea. You have full control of what you're going to put down. 0.10, 0.50, 1 pound of nitrogen, it's all in your hands. So urea is actually my number 3. The number 2 fertilizer that I enjoy using is called Feature. Now, Feature is a 600 nitrogen micro-based fertilizer. Now you hear again 600, almost like if it was a simple lawn solutions. But what differs from this one is the iron. You have your manganese, you have your magnesium, but the iron plays the biggest role in this fertilizer. This fertilizer is usually used at 1 ounce per 1,000 to 2 ounce per 1,000. Now at 1 ounce per 1,000, you will get a nice green up on the verge of dark green and vibrant, like right in the middle. Good green up, can't complain. It's a good steady green, and the 60% of nitrogen for the uptake and that little bit of nitrogen that you're getting as well for the growth, perfect. But where this fertilizer really shines is if you go at the 2 ounce max rate per gallon or per 1,000 square feet. When you go to that 2 ounce max rate, oh my God, are you going to see the deepest, darkest green color that you'll ever have in a lawn. Now I have used a lot of liquid irons, I have used other iron sources, but something about Feature gives my lawn just that dark green color. I've used this in client lawns. I've used this to test other people's lawns to see if maybe they have an iron deficiency because they don't want a soil test. And let me tell you that the response that I get from this fertilizer in about 3 to 4 or 5 days max, yeah, at that 2 ounce rate, yeah, it's up there. It's very dark and green. But I gotta tell you, it's you have to see it for yourself. You have to try it for yourself to see the green that I'm talking about. But trust me, when it comes to that 10% iron that this fertilizer has, it really kicks in. So Feature is going to be my number 2. All right, so before we get into my number 1 fertilizer, I have 2 honorable mentions to mention here. One of them was in my list back then. I don't remember when I made that list. I'll link that video up here. But one of them is actually Spoon Juice from Yard Mastery. Obviously, it moved down my top 5 list. It's still somewhere in the range of top 10 because it's an honorable mention. I really enjoyed that fertilizer. It's a 501 with pretty much, you know, the sea kelp, a little bit of iron, manganese, magnesium. It has a little bit of everything to give your lawn a slow growth and a good steady green up. I found that using that as a spoon feeding every 2 weeks, even though it's recommended on the label to use it once a week, you don't need to. Every 2 weeks at 3 ounces per 1,000 is the sweet spot, and it'll keep your lawn nice and green throughout the course that you're using it. And my next honorable mention that I have to mention is actually a store-bought product, and it's Scott's Turf Builder. Now I don't remember the NPK value to this, but I know that the nitrogen was high, the phosphorus I believe either was low or there was none, and the potassium was pretty much low. If I had to guess, it was like a 20-0-10. I'm not gonna put my phone out right now to find this. It's an honorable mention anyways. So Scott's Turf Builder, if you guys are in a pinch, you ran out of fertilizer, you need fertilizer right away, you don't want to wait for that online order to come in, Scott's Fertilizer is a great fertilizer. The prills are so small, so tiny, that when you spread it in about a day or two, that's down and dissolved, getting uptaken by the roots already, because the prills are just that small, and it doesn't need that that breakdown to happen. It is a synthetic fertilizer, but I really don't care, organic or synthetic, when it comes to turning my lawn green, as long as it works. So Scott's Turf Builder is another honorable mention. Coming in at number 1, and number 1 actually surprised me, and it surprised me very well because I actually only used this fertilizer last year, and it gave my lawn just this amazing, beautiful color that I've never seen my lawn react to a fertilizer this way. And the fertilizer that we're talking about here is Max or G from Lawn Supply over at the Ryan North store. It's a 2500 fertilizer with a quick release and a slower release nitrogen source built into it. But let me tell you why it's my number 1. When you guys look this up, if you decide to look it up, you're gonna say this is a very costly fertilizer, and I believe so. As long as you use it at the 2-pound rate, it should last a while. At the 3-pound rate, it should last a while. If you guys go over that, hey, you know, you're just you're not wasting money, because it's gonna give you an awesome visual response. But it is a costly fertilizer, and the green up that I got from that fertilizer, it was a green that I have never seen before in my lawn. It was like a forest green, not dark green, not vibrant green, like in the middle, but a forest green with the smallest hint of blue in my grass blades all across the yard. It was something that I've never seen before. It almost looked, I have Palmetto St. Augustine. It almost looked like Citra Blue St. Augustine. If you guys don't know what Citra Blue is, I'll probably put a picture of it somewhere around here. Citra Blue naturally gives a green blue color to the lawn, and my lawn is always green, and I had that green blue color. I'm talking about like the smallest of hint. I'm not talking about my glasses, okay? I'm gonna take my glasses off because they have that blue color to it. Can you see that hint of blue on there? With the eye, I could see it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there is like this slight hint of this dark green blue color going on. I don't know what else is in that fertilizer, but I'm telling you right now, that's the results that I got. That's the visual response that I got, and I plan to use that fertilizer once again after this season, or sometime during this season. So I just fell in love with it. That color, I fell in love with. Again, results may vary, guys. I'm not telling you this is also going to be the same results you're going to get in your lawn, but I am not here to mess around with you guys. That is my top 5 with 2 honorable mentions. Either one of those, I believe you'll have good success and good results with. If you have any questions, or if you feel any of these should have not been in my top 5 and you have something else to throw in, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section, and let's see what everybody else says. Or if you agree with this list because you have tried it before, let me know also. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video.